and a religion could divide our path. But my people, who really win from this game?
Now them with the chop while we dey fight. Now them with the loot while we dey argue. Now them with the divide us, so them feel rule us. But today we break the chains. No be tribe go save us, no be name go change us, no be color go rule us. The love now unity, the truth go lift us. They tell me say you no be my brother because you no talk like me, because you no pray like me. But hunger no tribe, poverty no skin. We all the suffer the same, so why we still they divide? From Halo to Lagos, from Jos to Calabar, we all they dream the same dream, we all want to see how far. Now who go lead us out of dark? Now who go bring the light? No be name, we go choose, now who go do I'm right? No be tribe go save us, no be name go change us, no be color go rule us. The love now unity, now truth go lift us. My people, the leaders will divide us. I think they steal from all of us. When election come, them go remember tribe. But when they'll loot them, no they look your side. Let we wise up, let we break this tribal curse. Let we choose leaders where we lead. Let we stand together, because unity the strength. Who go save us? He go save us. Who go fix them? He go fix them. Who go change them? He go change them. No more tribe war, now unity go reign. No Igbo, no Yoruba, no Hausa, no North, no South, no East, no West. Only one people, one Nigeria, one destiny. If we unite, we rise. If we divide, we fall. This time, we go stand together.